let's get the biscuits ready. First, I'm gonna grease my skillet with some Crisco. I have my oven set to 450 and my skillet is greased. Okay, this is a 2-ingredient biscuit. You only need self-rising flour and heavy whipping cream. I'm going to take 2 cups of flour and add it to my bowl. You can use self-rising flour because self-rising flour, it already has baking soda and baking powder. And the heavy whipping cream, it has a high fat content. So it makes a perfect biscuit. Okay, that's my flour. And I'm just gonna slowly just add in my heavy cream. And I like to take a fork. I really don't like getting my hands messy because you have to touch everything else. So just go in here with the fork. You don't want to add too much, but you want to add enough just for it to be tacky and pull away from the bowl. So that was a cup. So I'm going to take about another half a cup. Let's see. Okay. Like I said, you just want to mix in just enough to pull it away from the bowl. I'm going to add just a little bit more. And that wasn't quite a half a cup. Okay. So that's enough. I'm just going to take me a little flour and just flour my surface a little bit. And then I'm going to empty out my dough. Y'all, 2-ingredient biscuit. You can't go wrong with it. I mean, it's easy. Don't be intimidated by a biscuit, please. It's one of the easiest things to make. Okay. Put a little bit more flour here and on my hand. And you're just gonna take it and fold it and pat it out. The more you fold it, the more layers you have. If it's feeling sticky, just add a little bit more flour to your hand. But just fold it. Just fold it and pat it. Add a little bit more flour to my hand. Okay. You're going to fold it and pat it. I'm going to come and place them in the pan. I'm using a cookie cutter. You can use a cookie cutter, a biscuit cutter. Both of them the same thing if you ask me. Just make sure when you press down, you don't turn. You just press it down. Okay. Put your biscuits close together. Now I'm just going to take some of my heavy cream and just put it on the top. Just a little bit. And in the oven they go. Now while my biscuits are cooking, we're going to see what Jimmy Dean talking about. My biscuits are out of the oven. I want to show y'all something to try. If you never tried this Texas Roadhouse cinnamon butter on your biscuits, you need to try it. I'm just gonna brush a little on top. For my grits, I'll take about 3 tablespoons of grits. Put them in a bowl. I'll take a teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a cup of water. Put this in the microwave without stirring it. Put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. While the grits in the microwave, let's work on these eggs. I'm not cooking a big breakfast, y'all, because it's just me and the hubby. Add a little heavy cream. It's been 10 minutes. Now let's pull out the grits. I'm gonna put in a couple of cubes of butter. And I'm gonna add in just a little bit of whipping cream. And get those all stirred up. Now let's work on those eggs. And there you have our patty cakes breakfast.